Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Market T channel. Today has been a day I've been waiting for a very long time. We're going to be getting the new wheels and tires mounted and balanced and installed onto my Alfa Romeo 4C. First, before we get the wheels and tires out of the garage, let's throw some heat into this engine and give you guys a cold start of a bone stock Alfa Romeo 4C. Completely bone stock. There's nothing done to this car. My neighbors are going to hate me. But this is for you guys. Now that's a cold start. She sounds good. This is about 6 feet away from the car. It's about 45 degrees outside right now. Again, completely bone stock Alfa Romeo. And she's about to get some new shoes. She looks good. All right, let's head into the garage. Sorry, the lighting's not the best in here. These are the Evo Corsos, and these are the Federal RSRR tires that I'm going to be going with. So as we all know, the Alfa Romeo comes with 18-inch wheels in the front and 19-inch wheels in the back. But we're going to be changing that today. Again, I'm going with Evo Corso wheels. I'm going to be going with 17-inch wheels in the front and 18-inch in the rear. So I'm going to be going down a size. But that allows me to go with a bigger tire, a wider tire, and a bigger sidewall tire as well. It's gonna look really good. All right, so the stock rear tire size is a 235, 35, 19, and we are going with 245, 40, 18s. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see how she looks with the new wheels. It's gonna look so good. With the wider tires, bigger sidewall. Oh, that looks good. Wow, I gotta clean those tires, but damn, that looks sexy.
Hey, the front has to settle more. Once you move the car, it'll go down.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. It's already recording.
Okay. 1 second.
How do the wheels look? Easy. Oh, that looks... Oh, I got it. Look at this. Wow. What a difference. I gotta clean the tires, but damn, that looks good. Woo! Check that out. That looks so good. That looks really, really good. And this is from the back. This is what it looks like from the back. I don't know if you can see that. Again, in the backs, they are 245, 40, 18. And then in the front, we are gonna have 215, 45, 17. Check that out. Wow, it looks so good. I can't stop looking at this. She's a beauty. All right, guys, we just got home, and here is the final product. This is what she looks like. The Evo Corse wheels with the Federal tires, mounted and balanced and installed in the car. All right, so in the front, I have 215 45 17s. That's the front. All right, and now if we move to the rear, I have 245 40 18s. And again, these are Evo Corse wheels. I gotta clean later tonight when the sun goes down. I'm gonna clean the whole car, get all the oils off the tire themselves, and she is gonna be looking good. But yeah, right now she's a little dirty, but so far they look fantastic. I love that. I love that nice meaty sidewall. Looks really aggressive. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I think that looks so good. It gives the car that aggressive look that it definitely needs. The other wheels, they're not bad by any means. I feel like the other wheels, like the stock wheels, give this car a luxury look, but these Evo Corsos give it that mean stance that she really needs. More of that aggressive look, especially with these Federal tires. Absolutely loving it. All right, guys. Peace out and see you on the next one.